Look at my new cards. Aren't they pretty? Hello everyone and welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson. Here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, silliness, and stuff I like. In this video, we are continuing our study of divination by way of playing cards with the Seven of Diamonds. In this system, the Seven of Diamonds is called the Gambler. This is generally a card that depicts financial challenges or having concerns about money matters. When you see this card, it's not usually a good time to make risky financial decisions, investments, or to go gambling. You should also avoid excessive and luxurious spending. Now, you may not have a huge lifestyle, but even a family trip to the movies or an expensive dinner out should be held off for right now. As a side note, this card also sometimes reflects gossip and envy. So there may be some rumors or criticism about you and possibly your financial matters at this time. That is all for the Seven of Diamonds. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, let me know by clicking the like button and tell me what you thought. Or if you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, become a citizen of Crazy Town, and click the bell so you can be notified of a video that comes out. In the meantime, check out the rest of this series by clicking here. And to see what other things I do and how I prepare for this video, click here. Until then, I'll see you next time in the cards. Okay. Oh crap, it's still recording.